Hi, next we discuss some examples of bonds. So example 1. So determine cash flow and P present value or price, and F face value or par value, C the redemption value, R coupon rate, G special coupon rate, and I yield rate. Okay, so question A. A $1,000 bond with 6% semi-annual coupons maturing in 5 years. We want to determine the cash flow. Okay, so at first, the semi-annual 6% semi-annual coupons. So this means 6% is annual. So that means the I is equal to 6%. So this is annual rate, but paid semi-annually. So that means the 3% for a half year. So it looks we can get 6% every half year, but it's not. So 6% is annual rate, and the semi-annual coupons means the 3% for a half year. So the timeline is the 0 to 5 in year. But since coupon is for every half year, so 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, up to 5. And the price, actually the $1,000 bond, so this means the face value is 1,000, but without any remarks, we also have to assume that present value is 1,000. So coupon is 6%, so 6% of $1,000 is $60. So $30 for a half year. So $30 coupon at t is equal to 0.5, and 30 at 1, 30 at 1.5, up to 30 at 5. And since we don't have any remarks on redemption value, that we have to assume that redemption value is also 1,000. So in this case, this is the cash flow, and the P is equal to F is equal to C is equal to 1,000. And I is 6% as given, and R is equal to 6% also. And how about special coupon rate? And the special coupon rate, remember that the CG is equal to FR, but FR is equal to 1,000 times 3%. Yeah, if we use half year, 3%. If we use annual, 6%. But anyway, so 6%, and the C is 1,000. So also the G is 6%. Okay, so the fact is that if we have no remarks, this 1,000 is face value, but also price and redemption value. And that means the C is equal to F, so coupon rate, special coupon rate is the same as the just coupon rate. And the yield rate is also the same because everything is 1,000. So price and also redemption values are 1,000. Okay, so this is the example A. Next example B, a bond with 4.5% annual coupons maturing at 110 in 10 years. So this time it says annual coupons, so coupon is for every year. Without anything, usually we assume the coupon is semi-annual, but here annual coupons, so every year you receive 4.5%. And it doesn't say anything about face value and price. But if we don't have any remarks, we have to assume that is 100. So $100 at time 0, this is cash outflow, and the cash inflow is $4.5 at time 1, time 2, up to time 10. Then the redemption value is 110 because it says maturing at 110. So we can say that, so this is the cash flow. And we can say that the P is equal to F is equal to $100. And C is $110. And R is equal to 4.5%. And what is G? So remember that the CG is equal to FR. So that means 110G is equal to 100 times 4.5%. So that means the G is equal to 100 over 110 times 0.045. So this is 4.09%. So this is G. And how about the effective interest rate, I? So this can be calculated by BA2 plus. So yield rate is calculated given present value, future value, and the payment and length of the timeline. So in BA2 plus, you can input 100 as present value and 4.5 as payment. We have to put negative sign here. So negative 4.5 payment, and 110, this is future value, also this should be negative, and n is 10, so 10n. Then compute compute IY. Then you get I is equal to 6.36%. So this is much higher than 4.5% or 4.09%. Why? Because this $100 becomes $110. So we have some additional interest on 4.5% coupons. Okay, so this is the example B. So now that you can do quiz the 4, 2, 3 in Canvas. Okay, see you then.